Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Modesty33 here, aka Crystal with a C. Back at you with another video. If you're new to my channel, you just happen to click on, oh, welcome. I try to put out 1 to 2 videos a week. I do sit downs, reviews, reactions, vlogs. So if any of that interests you, make sure you check out the prior videos on my channel. And if you see anything you like before you leave, make sure you subscribe. So you guys, I have an unboxing today, and it's kind of funny because actually this is like the 3rd or 4th video I've recorded because I've recently purchased a few items and they both were returned. So I don't know if you guys are interested in that footage. I am going to kind of refer to those items maybe a little bit in this video, but the other video will probably be uploaded first. So you'll see the item, but it's going back to the real. So yeah, it didn't work out for me. Not saying it's a bad item or anything. It just was not what I expected, and it will be going back. Furthermore, there was another item that I purchased from the Neiman Marcus Chanel boutique in Denver, Colorado. Purchased it by phone and got it, had it for, I had that item for like a week, and I just finally decided today to return it. I felt like it didn't fit me. So I'm probably gonna insert some pictures of the item and then the item on me, but we're gonna unbox something that I actually picked up today. I just was actually expecting to do a straight return, and then actually there was another item I was looking at, but I wasn't really sure about. So I was like, I'll just go ahead and do this return and then see how I feel about it later on. Maybe I will, maybe I won't, kind of one of those things. But then I saw this item in the boutique when I was in there with another woman who was buying something for her 50th birthday party, and she and I were chatting. So I happened to see this item because she was looking at it, and I was just like, ma'am, are you gonna purchase this? Because I just want to try it on and see. So this is what we're unboxing today. I'm pretty certain this one's not going back, but we'll see again because I reserve my right to return, which I don't do it very often, but with Chanel it's just so difficult because usually you have to kind of buy the item or else it sells out and then you don't even have an opportunity to see it unless you get on the pre-love market. So I just kind of defer to going ahead and buying it, and then if I don't like it, if it doesn't work, then I just return it. That's what I did with the last bag. It worked out. So as opposed to just feeling this sense of like, oh, I missed out, or a sense of regret that I didn't go ahead and do it. So I had it for a week. I looked at it. It was really cute, but it just did not fit me. I just felt like it just didn't fit me for what I wanted it for. So anyway, guys, we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. We're gonna do this rather quickly because I do have to work. Was supposed to actually be working now, but one of my people no-showed, so that worked out. I could go ahead and film this because I wanted to send my mother some pictures, other pictures of this item. So, he wrapped it really nicely when I went in. So this is like the little ribbon here. This again is the bag. This is the item here. My receipt's just on the top. I don't know what this bag is called. Maybe it's on the receipt. So yeah, this is the receipt here. It came in this little thing here, but all of Chanel's items are called flap. Like this one is called flat bag with handle. So yeah, it is a bag. I don't know if I mentioned that, but yeah, it is a bag. But I didn't give anything away, but it's a flat bag with handle. That's kind of all the bags I've kind of been looking at. I really wanted a top handle bag. So the other bag was a top handle, but again, it just didn't work out for me. I'll just tell you, I felt like it was too small, which is essentially what the issue was. But this is the item here. Let me take a few pictures before. Okay, sorry y'all. So I could probably take a picture afterward too. I think I actually still have a picture of me in the other box. But if y'all interested in that footage of me unboxing the other item, let me know. I'll definitely show you guys that. But this is the little Camilla. So this is my little second little Camilla because I got one with the first one. The other item was packaged very, very nicely. So the lady did a very nice job that I purchased the other item from. And it even smelled new. So it was new. That was probably the best, the item that, it was wrapped. It looked brand new. And other items I've purchased before, they were new, but they weren't wrapped to that standard. So I must say I've been getting really good customer service recently from Chanel. So yeah, this is the box here. Okay, here we go. So this is it right here. This is how he wrapped it. Yeah, I'm sorry y'all, I had to like run out really quickly and do this return, and then I didn't expect to be buying a bag too. So yeah, that's kind of how all this transpired. So I'm really excited to show you guys. This is very different from anything else I have in my collection. So it does have the little booklet here that all Chanel bags come with, and the little tissue paper. We'll set that off to the side over here. Oh Lord. Okay, there we go. Sorry. So, okay. So yeah, this, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So yes, yeah, this is the item here. We're gonna go ahead and pull this out and show you. Again, I don't know the name of it, but woo. So this is called, on the receipt, it's like a top handle, flap with top handle. So it is this bag here. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So yeah, I have nothing in my collection this color, and that's what I was kind of thinking of. I really was wanting a pop of color with what I got. The first bag that I got, again, I'll insert a picture. It was a little black bag. I was essentially planning on using that for, you know, kind of going out to nicer events. A lot of things here in Houston are opening up. I've gotten a lot of emails about a lot of really cool events that I plan on taking part in, you know, ballets and stuff like that, which is something I was really, really excited about when moving here. And then of course, you know, everything happened, so wasn't able to take part in that. But I'm really, really interested in, like, you know, music stuff, the arts, ballet, theater, like that is my jam. So really, really happy and excited to take part in some of those things. So the little black bag was super cute for that. It had a lot of elements that I did like. It had the puffy quilting, which this one has more flat quilting. But yeah, this one, you know, that one had like the puffy quilting. It was calfskin leather. It was black with antique gold hardware. It was just really, really pretty. However, I just felt like it was too small, to be honest. Like, I felt like, you know, it was like maybe, you know, a bag for your little niece or your child, you know, your 3-4-year-old or your, you know, grandchild, whatever. You know, I saw the bag on YouTube when a few people unboxed it, but I guess, you know, when I was talking to my mother about it, I guess maybe what the issue was is maybe they were like zoomed in on the bag so it looked bigger than it actually was. When I got it, I was really kind of shocked at how small it really was. I did 2 videos about the bag, and again, if you're interested, I can still upload those, but I did one comparing it to the wallet on chain, my classic one, and the caviar leather gold hardware. And actually my wallet on chain probably fit about the same amount as that little bag, but it was wider in the dimensions of it. But I did get a walk saver for my wallet on chain, so it does fit a little bit more, and it is 4 years old. So I was actually looking at selling my wallet on chain and replacing it with that bag, but I just couldn't do it. Like, I just couldn't do it. My walk just ticks too many boxes to have gotten rid of it for that particular bag that I just felt like did not look good on me because of, you know, my body proportions. And that's just my opinion. I'm not saying that, you know, if you're bigger or what have you, smaller bags, you can't wear that. That's not what I'm saying at all. I'm just saying I didn't feel like it looked good on me and it was too small for me. So this bag is super cute. I actually get like almost a vintage feel from this bag. Like, it looks like it could have been, like, it could be a 30-year-old bag, but yet it is super cute. So it's wide. I don't know the dimensions again of the bag. If you guys are really interested in that, I could measure it and let you guys know, but this is a true unboxing. I just picked this up from the store. So yeah, this is the side of it here. This is the back. It has a back pocket, which, you know, will fit my iPhone 12 Pro Max. I'm filming right now, so you won't be able to see that, but I did look at it. It will fit in this back pocket if I needed to. So yeah, that's a plus. The other bag, you know, the little smaller one that I returned, did not have a back pocket, which wasn't a deal breaker, but I love bags with back pockets. That's kind of my thing. So my wallet on chain has a back pocket, even though it's very small. It's just, you know, if I want to put cards or receipts or something like that, like, it's just very convenient to have that back pocket, which this one has a sizable back pocket. It goes all the way the length of the bag. This is the top handle right here. So it is actually like in the Chanel 19 style, which you guys, I've talked about that in a few videos, that I was really interested in getting like a Chanel 19, but the price, you know, it's kind of hefty. And then I ended up getting my Chanel denim bag, which I love. That is like my favorite bag that I've been carrying since I purchased it. And I was really nervous about that one too, but it worked out so perfectly. Carried that one today, absolutely love it. I just keep putting more and more stuff in it, and it just keeps handling it, and it just still looks so beautiful. So and then here's the turn lock closure here. It is in the gold hardware, and I don't know what the color is called. I mean, it's like a yellow, almost like a little mustard yellow. I think on the receipt, what do they call this color? June? I don't know. I'll also include like the style number on the bottom if you guys are like interested. So I think that might be helpful if you want to call Chanel and see, you know, if you really like this bag, if they have any more in stock. Let me open it up. You guys can see. So it does have, doesn't have the different hardware as like a Chanel 19, which I'm perfectly fine with. So it is gold all the way through. It does have this little portion right here on the strap, which I really, really like because it makes it a little bit more comfortable if you want to carry it crossbody. And then just kind of like this little moment right here. Oh my gosh. So it does have like a zipper compartment here on the interior. It's got the Chanel right here. No other slip pockets that I can see. And yeah, then otherwise it's just an open compartment. So it's not split up in any way. So I'm pretty positive like all of my items will fit in here. Oh, there is a slip pocket on the front. I bypassed it. So it does have this little slip pocket here on the front. So I just feel like this will be a nice bag. Like it'll definitely be a nice pop of color in my collection because I don't have anything this color. It will be great for summer, but I feel like too, because of the mustard yellow, it will be great too with fall outfits. I just think it will add a nice little touch. So it was definitely mother approved because I sent her a picture of the other bag I was thinking about. I had inquired of that bag. That bag was in California and she liked that one. She's like, oh, I like it. It's bigger. It was like a cobalt blue, but I wasn't certain if I wanted another blue bag, even though it would be different than my denim bag. Still, I was kind of wanting something a little bit different. And then again, he pulled this one out in the store. The other lady was looking at it and she ended up getting a green Chanel boy bag, which is gorgeous. I'm not a boy bag fan personally, but the color was gorgeous and they had the silver hardware. I was like, girl, that's you. Now, you know, let me take this bag right here. This is me. So, you know, she tried this one on, but she felt like it didn't hold enough. But probably that boy bag she got, maybe it'll fit a little bit more than this, but it was like the smaller one. So I don't actually think it probably will fit that much, but she was, you know, celebrating a birthday. So she was getting that for herself, but it was a gorgeous bag. But yeah, like I was so happy to, you know, do my exchange and then be able to apply that amount to this purchase. It is the antique gold hardware, which I really like. That was what I liked about the other bag, that I did return the antique gold hardware. I've never had anything in that hardware before. And I just feel like this one will definitely fit a sufficient amount. And I just feel like the style is timeless. I don't feel like this will get old. Now, the only thing I guess you'd have to really worry about with this particular item would be like color transfer. So that's something I will have to be mindful of and, you know, be on the lookout for with certain outfits that I wear. But I just feel like this will go with a lot more than that blue bag, that cobalt blue that I was looking at. And I can insert a picture of that bag so you guys can see. It was essentially a mini business affinity. So it would have been very similar to probably the square mini that I sold to the Real. Probably similar in that sense, but a little bit bigger capacity, you know. So yeah, but this one, oh my gosh, I'm super excited to have this one. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to start using it. Like I'm probably gonna put some things in it immediately. I just think stuff like this is just really cool. Like it's nice to have a bag you can look at and it just makes you smile. So that's kind of what I'm focusing on, like different items I just want to have that will make me smile, that I will enjoy using, that will, you know, add a little something to my outfit. So yeah, this looks good crossbody. It sits at a nice length. And then also on the shoulder, it sits at a nice length. So I'm gonna probably do that in another video, you guys, or maybe I will insert some pictures or do like an outfit of the day with this bag later on. I'm not gonna do that now again. Guys, I have to go to work and I have to kind of get ready for my next person that I need to see. So unfortunately, I don't have time to do that today, but I am gonna do that for you guys once I do kind of play with this bag a bit and stuff my items inside. I'll have to see about maybe a bag organizer as well for this, because I don't want the interior, which is like a cloth, to get dirty. So we'll see. But anyway, guys, that is pretty much it. So returned 2 bags, you know, ended up getting this one. And I am happy thus far with this one. Again, I'll have to play with it and kind of see, but I'm pretty positive. Like, it definitely fits my phone in the back pocket, so it definitely will fit, no problem at all in the interior. Again, it's just a beautiful color. It just will complement anything pretty much that I wear. So, and it will just be an awesome bag for the summer, you know, as well as the fall time, I feel like. So anyway, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, if you like this bag, please give the video a thumbs up. Didn't show you guys the bottom. It doesn't have any feet. So, but anyway, that was it. I just remembered that I forgot to show you guys the bottom. But anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure you do share it with anyone else who likes unboxings, who likes Chanel things. So who may like this, you know, that's a little bit different. So share this video with them. I will again include the item number for this particular bag on the bottom. And if you guys want to call Chanel and inquire about it, you know, and see if they have any more of these, you know, with any of their companies, definitely do that. Also, make sure you do, you know, again, comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Share this with anyone else. Also, subscribe to the channel before you leave. And again, you guys, thank you so very much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you want me to, upload those other videos and those comparisons, let me know, because there are a few videos on YouTube, but not many. And I think that particular bag that I returned was from like the 20C collection. So it came out sometime last year, was very popular, and it actually has been selling out very much. Like, it's really been selling a lot recently, and that's what the guy at the boutique was telling me, that these top handle bags are really like very desirable. So you know, if you're interested in one, I would say go ahead and buy it if you can, and then take it home, think about it. That's what I did, and then I returned the other one and happened to see this beauty today. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.